I am a 5th grade teacher at an elementary school, and my daughter Kayla was in a car accident. She was taken to the emergency room and her neck was injured fairly severely. She suffered pain for a number of years, and the traditional surgeries that are offered would have limited her mobility at her age. My daughter was fortunate enough to have Dr. Smith as her doctor. Dr. Smith, of course, told her about AIMIS and said she was a candidate for that. And it was a very exciting opportunity to do something different and have this life-changing surgery that would enable her to lead a normal life. When we got to Cyprus, we were able to meet, as soon as we got there, we were able to meet the team right away in our hotel, the entire team that would be involved in the surgery. That was really wonderful because it put us at ease, let us see them, talk to them, ask questions. We felt at ease. We were able to go and see the hospital and see where she would have her surgery. That put us at ease. And they were very, very caring and very knowledgeable, and it was a great comfort to us. The person who really was most had most contact with us was Nikos, and he made us feel so comfortable because he really treated us like we were a member of the family. When we went for the surgery, she went in fairly quickly. We didn't have to wait long before she went in. And the entire time that she had the surgery, which was a number of hours, I was prepared. I knew it would be a while. It was quite a few hours, but the time passed very quickly because Nikos was there with me the entire time as the representative of AIMIS, and he talked to me in the coffee shop during the whole surgery. That way I would feel better and he could answer any more questions, and if anything came up, he would be there. So the time passed very quickly. And then I was able to go up to the room, and she was able to leave the hospital the same day, that very same day. I had to wait a little while, but that evening we were able to go back to the hotel, and Nikos drove us there, and a nurse was with us, and she was that very night went down to dinner in the hotel dining room the same day she had surgery on her spine. We went down to the dining room and had dinner, and the recovery went really well, much better than I expected. Within a month, she was able to start moving her head around, and the pain she had pain relief. It went much better than we had expected. It was an amazing gift, like a miracle. My baby, she's an adult at this point, but still she's my baby, and she now gets to be pain-free and have a normal life and not be held back at all by this terrible thing that had happened to her. It was wonderful. I can't think of anything better. This is a better option. First of all, it was more cost effective. It actually cost less than it would have cost here. The opportunity to get away and go somewhere else and have the surgery turned out to be a plus because we were not at home, so we were both only concentrating on her recovery. I would thank him for having such great expertise and being so skillful and so kind and caring and giving my daughter her life back. I can't thank him enough for that. It was like going on vacation and coming back with a perfectly healed body. That's what it felt like to me. We went on this nice vacation, met a bunch of nice people, and she got her problem taken care of.